Mother Nature. See, just see what you human beings have done to me. I am almost on fire. You have given a fancy name to it. You call it global warming. Your cars, your factories, your industries, how much more carbon dioxide will you fill me with? And the CFC gases, they have created holes in my ozone layer. My surface is getting hotter and hotter. My snow caps, oh, they are melting. My forests, you're cutting them, you're burning them. Sometimes you say you want to grow food, the people are hungry, and some other times you say you want to build homes, people have no shelter, they are homeless. What about my tigers, elephants, leopards, and all the other animals? They have nowhere to go. You cut down the trees. You say you need wood for your furniture, doors, and windows. You bring bulldozers, excavators, clear the forest, cut the hills, dig the ground. You say you need the coal, gold, bauxite, and God knows what more. You just don't understand. If forests become less, soil erosion becomes more. Look what you have done to my rivers, lakes, seas, oceans, and my water bodies. You dump all the wastewater from your homes, from your industries into them. My poor fishes, they are dying. The mangroves, they are vanishing. You have made them dumping grounds. The water below my ground, even that you have made so dirty and polluted. Very soon you will have to say, water, water everywhere, but not a drop to drink. My air, it's filled with lead, carbon, sulfur. Oh, I feel so dirty. I can't breathe. Did you know breathing Mumbai's air is same as smoking 20 cigarettes a day? Your domestic wastes, medical wastes, radioactive wastes, all you dump on me. Construction debris, concrete, glass, aluminium, plastic, electronic waste. Oh, what all will you fill me with? I can't take it anymore. You call me Mother Nature. Is this how you treat your mother? Did I hear someone ask how to make me happy? Well, grow more trees. The trees will give you clean air to breathe. Save water. Every drop counts. Request the elders in your society to set up a rainwater harvesting system. Close the tap while you're brushing. Use the bucket, not the shower, while you're bathing. Save energy. Walk, cycle whenever you can. Use public transport. Watch less TV. Switch on the computer less often. Switch off the fans and lights when not in use. Don't waste food. A lot of energy is used up while making them and transporting them. Say no to plastic. Use paper bags, cloth bags instead. Make your own toys with recyclable material. Remember, plastic is used to make toys. Last but not least, always keep in mind the 3 R's. Reduce,